Hi.
Day 2 of coding. So we are still in the warm-up zone. So what's the first problem? Given a square matrix, calculate the absolute difference between the sums of its diagonals. For example, the square matrix R away is shown below. Okie dokie. Okay. In columns. Okay, it's a square matrix. Yeah. Got the idea? We need to calculate the diagonals. Diagonals? Okay. Broken English, but I guess you still got the idea. Difference. Right, left, modulo minus, and of those two, and there you go. So this is the solution. Pretty straightforward. We just iterate the matrix. We check for the right column when the row and the columns index are equal. The left diagonal sum then adds the value of that position. Otherwise, if the columns index it's equal with the array count -1 and minus the row index, in that case we add the positions value to the right diagonal sum variable. What we do next is just in another variable, we do the subtraction between these two, and in case modulo sum, this subtraction is smaller than 0, so it's a negative result. We multiply with -1. Otherwise, we return the value in the modulo sum. But now let's try to illustrate it to make it maybe clear. Let's say we are in a restaurant, and the restaurant has as our matrix 9 tables in this square position as the matrix has the numbers. When we are saying index, we are referring to the number of the table, and they are positioned like this. First line of the tables from left to right, 1, 2, 3, and it goes to the middle layer, which is from left to right, 4, 5, 6, and the last round is 7, 8, 9. Okay. But when the person that delivers the food, I forgot the name for some reason, the waitress, okay, wants to find a table, she doesn't go by the name of the customers at the table. She goes by the number of the table. But at that position, at that table, she finds she's not interacting with the number of the table. She's interacting with the person, like in our case, values of that table. And that's the same thing we are doing here. We're actually just trying to compare the position of the numbers in our matrix, and then we look at that position. If it's the position we are looking for, we are looking at that position and take the value for there and just keep adding it in different bags. So let's keep consistent.